Very good. The third tip is to analyze the conversion rate. Well, by sending emails directly from Gmail, we don't have much way to know the conversion rate from N8N, but we can track the response rate, right? Which can already help us. Ideally, we'd know open and click rates too. Typically, it should be around 15 to 20%, okay? If over 10 to 15% mark as spam or delete unopened, future messages may go to spam. Since we can't directly know open rates, I'll give you some tips to improve them, okay? The first, as I've said, is to add and remove the append attribution option. Secondly, perhaps create a subject line, right? A more personalized introduction for the person we're sending the message to, something that catches their attention, okay? There's no need to create urgency, but if we want to, go ahead. It's true that if we overdo the copywriting, that is, with those more persuasive messages, we might be entering a bit into clickbait territory that Gmail itself could immediately detect as spam, okay? So maybe a more friendly tone would be better without trying to promote too much, just commenting on the situation. Alright, hey look, I've noticed on your website that you have this issue, or I've seen your advertising on Google Ads about, I don't know, finding gym subscriptions, and I thought that since I work on automating with N8 and no, something closer, not so much like, hey, I do N8N automations, would you like these services? No, that's not necessary, okay? The first thing we're interested in with the initial message is to make contact with that person, not so much to sell them directly from the first message. It also depends on your strategy, of course. If your strategy is to send 4,000 emails a day, well, wow, that's up to each person, right? Whatever works for them. It's a matter of assessing each case. So the ideal would be to have a response rate to get people to reply to you. Of course, if you send 100 messages and no one has replied, well, that's not good, okay? It's true that you'll find many people respond automatically as there are bots or, well, AI agents designed to automatically reply when receiving an email message, okay? So keep that in mind too. And don't spend 30 minutes talking to a bot.